If you're an animal lover, then you need to know about these dangerous creatures. Their beauty hides a lethal secret. Starting off, the box jellyfish. Its sting can stop your heart in minutes. Next, the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. One bite and you're done. Number 3, the poison dart frog. Bright colors, deadly touch. Up next, the cone snail. Its tiny harpoon can paralyze you instantly. Don't forget the blue-ringed octopus. Cute, but one nip and you're toast. 6th, we have the stonefish. Step on it and you'll wish you hadn't. The Brazilian wandering spider is next. Its bite makes you wish for a hospital visit. Number 8, the deathstalker scorpion. Pain like you've never felt before. 9th, the pufferfish. Delicious yet deadly if prepared wrong. Finally, the king cobra. Its venom can kill an elephant. These creatures are fascinating, but always respect their space. Stay safe and stay curious.